to my YouTube channel. This is my morning routine. I'm just so tired because I only just woke up. I've literally just quickly done my skincare just then. That's why I have this headband on. But yeah. So this is my hair when I wake up in the morning. Kind of like this. I know, it's kind of annoying. Anyway. Yeah. So, today, we are going to be doing a morning routine, as I said. So let's get this video started. Whee! Hello. So if you hear that very big racket outside, I'll show you why. It's currently raining. So literally, if I open the windows, all of the rain is gonna come in. Freezing cold. Actually. Yeah, that's how it looks. So, yeah. The first thing I do in the morning is get all of my room tidied because this at the moment is what it looks like. Ooh. So, yeah. Let's get this room tidied. Okay, so let's first make a bed. Let's first make a bed. Bruce, come on. Come on. Look at Bruce. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright. I'll be back when I've gotten off my bed because he's an absolute pain when he's tired. Okay guys, I'm back. He's finally off my bed. He was fighting with me. Hey. Anyway. Yeah. Let's tidy this bed. So, first thing what I do, take all of everything on. I'm going to the cinema today, so I'm really excited. I think we're going to watch a Halloween movie. So, yeah, quite excited. So, yeah. So, first thing what I do is I take my cover off because sometimes my bed sheet comes off a bit in the night. It's quite annoying. But then I just put it back on. Then we're ready. So, comment down below if you like my bedding. Yeah, I love my bedding. And I love my little arch. So today, I'm going to be redoing my room. I want to redo it. I'm removing all the pictures, doing stuff. Yeah, it's going to look very different after the finish and start will be very different. So, yeah, hope you're ready. Because today I'm changing all of my room, not even just the bed. Literally all of my room. Okay. Then, now what we have to do is we have to fold it here because my bed sheet comes off sometimes, as I say. As we speak, my bed sheet is just come off. Anyway, so yeah, now we just flatten it down a bit, get it ready, and then it looks like this. When it looks like this, you have to start putting the cushions on. So let's start doing that. So first, let's do these cushions, get them all poofed up. And yeah, I'm gonna be back when I've done it. Okay, I'm back and I've just finished. So So today, since we're redoing my whole entire yeah, let's start, I guess. So first thing, I don't know what we're gonna do. What shall we do first? We're gonna keep them lights there, I think. I think we should keep them. Yeah, let's keep some lights there. I'm gonna keep the little fairy lights there because they're really nice, I love them. We might move this, I'm not sure yet though. I'm gonna move these pictures because I'm gonna put them in different spots. So yeah, let's start. I'm also gonna do a part 2 of this. But anyway, no, not a part 2. So basically that will be my morning routine. I just need to have my breakfast, that's all I need to do. But I'm gonna do a separate video of me redoing my room. Yeah. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you want to, and subscribe. Bye guys, see you in the next video when I'm redoing all of my room.